Thank you, Clay. And hello to everyone. I'm the wolf known as Legend, and I'm here to impart great wisdom to you. But of course we can't do that without a dry erase board. Thank you. By the way, it was not the easiest thing to transport this to a remote forest setting. Anyway, you've all heard about my experience with a lone wolf, and it's important for everyone to find their own networking pack. So let's put this into practice with a little bit of an incentive. As outlined in the connection form, there's some pretty sweet prizes for the top 3 attendees who, during the conference, schedule the most one-to-one meetings. These meetings can, of course, take place at a later time. The third place winner gets an awesome microphone. The second place winner receives a free pitch lab session. And the first place winner gets the big prize. Drum roll, please. Nice. A 2-night stay at Lake Cumberland in Kentucky, which is where I spent my honeymoon, by the way. And now, here's how to qualify for the prizes. Number 1, have all 7 presenters and 8 sponsors sign your connection form, each in a separate box. Their names are at the bottom of the form. Number 2, schedule the most one-to-one meetings with sponsors, presenters, or other attendees who are at this conference. And these can be in person, virtual, or phone calls. And finally, email your completed connection form to Donna Schomer by 2:30 p.m. on Friday, March 7th. Make sure to take a photo of both sides of the form, as well as any additional scheduled one-to-one sheets, and attach all those images to the email. Lastly, if there is a tiebreaker will be held. Oh, and by the way, in case you've all been wondering, yes, this is a custom-made suit that I'm wearing, with the official blue and orange colors of H7. Hopefully Clay will make these available for all to order on the H7 website. Anyway, I'm sure the process itself of this contest will lead to many connections, both business and personal. Good luck to everyone.